So the Honda CB125R. So this is a naked bike by Honda. 125, very cheap to run, very cheap to run. So 125cc engine, fuel injected, computer controlled, so pretty reliable. It's going to start on the button every time, and the exhaust is nicely tucked away as well. And you get monoblock calipers. This is a 125 and you get monoblock calipers. Different. No wind protection on something like this, so you are going to get a lot of buffeting. But if wind protection is a problem, why are you looking at a naked bike? You look at a faired bike with fairings. This is very agile, so it's very nimble because it's so small and lightweight. Yeah, easy to maneuver, easy to park up, and anti-lock brakes are standard, which is wicked. You even get TFT display, fantastic. Controls are pretty simple, so you get your horn, kill switch, starter, and full cap. Again, this is going to be very cheap to run, so you won't be putting fuel in this often. And this is a bike just to get you either into motorcycling or just to get you around to the town and make motorcycling very cheap for you. Okay, liquid cooled seat. I'd say it's pretty decent. It's a bit hard, but there's a decent amount of padding in there. And the paint finish, really soft. Back is really smooth. Yeah. If you want to start out into motorcycling, this is a good choice for you.